everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello, hi, welcome. My name is Amy and welcome to an exciting video. So today's video is very kindly sponsored by HQ Hair. Thank you guys so much for working with me on this. So what I thought for today's video is I've got a bunch of goodies that I want to show you. So there is like a mini haul included in this. So I just wanted to talk about all of the deals that are going to be going on. I will have another code for you guys. I'll leave it on screen and also in the description bar so that you can save extra money, but there will be discounts site-wide on HQ Hair. They sell so many good brands. They've got Pixie, Benefit, Illamasqua, like literally it ranges from skincare all the way to hair care, makeup, literally everything that you want is on there. So there's one thing that I'm not actually going to use today, but I'll talk you through it. So the first thing that I decided to pick up from HQ Hair was the Way matte pomade. Now I have heard so many people rave about this, specifically Cinzia and Sophia. They use this when they do their like slick ponytails and stuff, and I have been kind of doing a few of those lately, so I definitely wanted to pick this up, and I did try it yesterday. You get so much in there, and it's like basically is that gonna focus? It's like a waxy pomade, but it doesn't make your hair go hard. It still stays soft, doesn't go crunchy. I just got that on my lip, but it smells so nice. Yeah, and I gave that a little spin yesterday, and I'm really pleased with that. So if you do want to go for like a slick pony, this is really good for not getting that crusty hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit down, do my makeup, and when I get to the part that I have picked up my products for, then I will jump back on and show you how I'm using them, what I'm using them. I'm super excited to use all these products. Like literally some of them are just like an all-time fave that I've just like re-picked up. So starting with one of my all-time faves, it's the Pixie Glow Tonic. Now this literally came just in time because I literally used the last bit yesterday of my one that I already had. So I always use this to prep my face. I have actually got the tiniest bit of bronzer on my face, so I'm just gonna take that all over my face just to get that off, and also to prep my skin a little bit. My skin's not been the best lately, but I actually swear by this Pixie Glow Tonic. I swear everyone does as well. Like that's when you know that it's good. They actually have so much good skincare. I think I need to branch out and try some more of it, because I always see people like raving about it, and if it's as good as this Glow Tonic, then I need some more of that in my life. Okay, I probably just took off all of my fake tan. I didn't really put a lot of fake tan on my face, but I did put a little bit on. Okay, so skin is prepped. I am then just eyebrow coming off onto my face. So the next thing that I picked up were these Pixie, the light is so bad on here, the Pixie Beautify vitamin C eye patches. Now these are like brightening, and they help to get rid of dark circles. I actually did use these yesterday, but I wanted to put them back in the box so that I could unbox it with you guys. And I was really confused of what way to put this under my eye, but I think you put the little side on the inside. So you basically get a tub of like I think it's 30 eye patches, and then you get like a little spoon to spoon it out. I've wanted to try these for so long. Oh my god. Oh, that all just literally dripped under my eye. So I'm just gonna leave this. Oh my god, they're so slippery. Oh my god. My eye patches are on. So it says to leave it for 10 minutes and then pat the like excess into your skin, like tap it in. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. So I will see you. Oh my god, it just keeps slipping. God, I really need these to work, because my under eye bags, I don't know about anyone else, but my sleeping pattern has just gone out the window lately. I think it's lockdown. Right. I'll see you in 10. Okay, these literally have just spent the last 10 minutes going, especially this one. I think it was like extra hydrated. So I am gonna just take these off now. and just work this into my under eye. I should have done one and then the other and seen if there was like a big difference. But look at all that juice. I'm gonna put some on my eyelid. I don't know if I'm meant to do that, but okay, so I'm just gonna pat this in and let it really soak in, and I'm gonna crack on with my makeup, and I will be back to show you my next product that I have picked up. So we've got 3 more products remaining, and I'm super excited about one of them. I've wanted to try one of them for so long, and we're going to try it for the first time together, so that's very exciting. So I'm going to crack on and I will be back. Okay, so I have just done my base makeup and it's now time to move on to my brows. So you guys know that I absolutely love the Precisely My Brow pencil. You can get this on HQ Hair, which is amazing. You can actually shop like most of the Benefit products, if not all of them, on there, and obviously there's huge discounts at the moment, but I use the shade 3.5, and I absolutely love this. It works so well for me, and I literally I don't think, like, I know that there's like, I don't know, I know there's a lot of brow products out there, but honestly I hadn't used this one before, and then when I finally did, because it's so raved about, I was like, oh, I'll use it, and when I finally did, I've not gone back. So I use the shade 3.5, and what I do is I just brush my brows up. Let me actually zoom you in so you can see. Okay, so I just brush all my brow hairs up. I like quite a fluffy brow at the moment, nothing too defined and intense, so I just brush it up, and then I literally just brush along the bottom, and just fill in any of my like sparse areas, and yeah, and just draw like little hair strokes as I go along, just like so. So it's like filled in but not too intense. And then I'm just gonna brush through it and just like blend out that product a bit. Obviously you can apply like a lot of pressure and do them a little bit more defined, but just recently I prefer them being a little bit more fluffy. That is pretty much the brow done, and I'm gonna move on to the next one. So once they're done, I just kind of brush through them all and comb them down almost like into place a little bit more. And then if you are the kind of girl that likes to set their brows, that is when I would go and do it, when I know that they're all in shape. And also sometimes I always do my brows in a handheld mirror. But sometimes I do find taking the handheld mirror away, and then, sorry, I'm just looking into like a more far away mirror, and then like looking in a further away mirror, you can kind of just see more evenly if there's anything that you need to like add in or miss. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set those in place, and then the next thing that I want to show you is literally the most, I don't know why I'm so excited by it, but I really am, and I feel like you guys will probably know why after, because I always do this certain thing with my eye makeup, and I feel like this is going to change the game. Okay, so moving on to the thing that I am very excited about. It's so basic, but I got the mini because I don't know if I'll definitely stick to this, but you guys know that I always do an eyeshadow wing with brown eyeshadow. Like I always wing out my eyeshadow to do like a wing basically, because I always want it brown and I don't have a brown liner. So I picked up the roller liner from Benefit in brown, and I got the mini one just to see how I get on with it. But this is the kind of thing that's going to last you for ages, because it's an eyeliner, so it's not like you use a lot of it at a time, do you know what I mean? So yeah, it's a felt tip liner, and I'm pretty much going to just do eyeliner on my eyes and pray and hope that it goes good and it goes even, and like, I'm just nervous. Eyeliner is nervous anytime, isn't it? So to do my eyeliner, I did LVL my eyelashes. They're literally so curly at the moment. Right, so I'm gonna just, I have to like big myself up for it, like, come on Ames, you got this, you can do this. I feel like my face looks really pale in the viewfinder, but I feel like I don't look pale in real life. Anywho, right, I can't talk while I do this. Okay, loving this so far. I'm not going to take the liner into my inner corner. I'm going to literally just stop it here. I really love that. I don't know why. It's like just so much softer than a black liner. Right, I'm going to sort that out. Do the other one because I need to get them even. Okay, so liner done. Mascara done. Living for this. So the last product that I want to show you from HQ Hair is the Illamasqua lip liner. I went for like a nudie pinky kind of vibe. I actually picked up the shade Undressed. It's a really gorgeous colour. I have had a little look, and I am going to just line my lips, and then I'm going to just ombre it in, and then I kind of just add a gloss on top and I'm done. I don't always wear a lipstick, you know. So I always line my lip and then I kind of go the edges. So once my lips are lined, I'm just gonna take my finger and just kind of like run it along it, blend it all in. Like so, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of gloss on top. And I am ready. Whoa, I just like flipped something off the table. So there we go. I am ready for my day. I feel like I look different. Why do I look different? But yeah, that is the finished look. I'm ready for my day. So all of the products that I have mentioned and that I've shown you will be linked down below, along with my discount code. I'm actually going to pop that on screen here for you, and I will also drop that down below. You'll find all the links there. Definitely go and check out HQ Hair. They literally have everything you could want on there. It's almost like a one-stop shop. Like, you don't need to go anywhere else. You can get every product that you need there, and it's nice because they don't just have like really high-end brands, they also have more affordable stuff as well, and they literally have like they literally have everything. Thank you so much to HQ Hair for working with me on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys let me know if you've actually used any of the products that I picked up, or if there's any other ones that you have found on there that you recommend or anything like that, because I'm always looking for new products. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you snap up some of these Cyber Weekend deals, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you lots. Stay safe.